Hey guys, it's Marissa at the Marble Planner and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting haul for you. I have an unboxing of some Erin Condren holiday collection items and gift ideas and whatnot. So it's very exciting and the box is very big. So I'm giving you this look first and then we're gonna start taking this stuff out. But I do want to say a huge thank you to Tori and Erin Condren over there. They did send me a code to get most of these items. You guys know that I love Erin Condren and I purchased a lot of their stuff with my own money, but this stuff was sent. Or I did get a code to pick out some things to review them for you. So actually the stuff that we don't need to sit down and look at, I might just pull out right here, like this cover. So this is an A5 cover from the Etavie collection, I believe it was called. And then does this set have my name on it? Yes, very cute. So this is an A5 cover that I just picked up for my A5 planner to show you that. And then these two little items were freebies. This is like a list pad and it has the days of the week at the top in the Flora color scheme. And then this one is cute. These were Black Friday EC Insider freebies. So very cute little notepads, I think. I'm excited to have those. So I think I just made you blurry. There we go. Let me see if there's anything else I want to grab out right here that I don't want to sit down with you and look at. I think that's it. So hold on and we will move to a different location and check all this stuff out. Alright, we are on a tripod and we have some stuff to open up. Let me get you focused. Focus on me. Okay, so the first thing is this Ultimate Planning Pack that I want to show you. So let me get it out of the plastic here. You can see Ultimate Planning Pack. So this is what it looks like. You focus. Oh, let's get this out of the way. Yes, you're focused. So this is a planning pack, you know, with a strap back here. But it is the new Ultimate design and I got it in this leopard. So you do have a front pocket right here. They took away that back pocket that was kind of hard to work with. And then it unzips this way instead of just the up zipper. And so you have two pockets in here as well, almost like card slots. So that is why it is called the Ultimate Planning Pack. Just a couple of little upgrades there for you with the pockets and everything. I really like it. Plus it's in the cheetah print that I really like. This next item is, what do we call these? The large accordion zipper pouches. So they had small ones, but now they have a large ones, and this is in the Flora design. So this is what it looks like all spread out. It is slightly bigger, so obviously you can put tons of stuff in there, and there are 3 of them. I'm going to use this for packing with some other things that Erin Condren just released, so that is very exciting. Next, there was a box within a box of the old pattern, so I'll go ahead and open this up with you. It was just keep this safe, which I definitely appreciate. So this is what was in there. This is the organizer caddy, acrylic organizer caddy. Now there's kind of a glare. I'll take it out of the box, maybe. I can bring scissors over here. Oh, I got it. So this, I ordered. I think it would be great for someone who even isn't a planner as far as like gifts go. But I ordered this thinking that I would put some planner supplies in it, and then if I want to go room to room, like it has a little handle. So that's what it looks like. Super, super simple. And yeah, I really like it. So I'm really excited for that and to have that. So that is the acrylic organizer caddy with the blush little strap here. I think that would be a great gift because it's beautiful. Staying with the acrylic, another new thing for the holiday collection were these acrylic organizer bookends. So if you look at it, there are 2 bookends. This one has, and I'm going to take them out, but this one has like file holders, and then this one has like pencil cups almost. So let me open this up. Did not bring scissors. Clearly should have. Oh, got it. Open this up with you. So, comes out like this. And then it does have that mid-century circles at the bottom. So if you look, 2 different pieces. Let me get all in frame. Get this box out of here. So they are the acrylic. They're super nice. But if you look, files can fit in here. Has the little feet on the bottom. And then this one is like pen cups. You can see that. So those are really, really cute and pretty. So you could, I mean, you could leave it all as one, but then, you know, they are bookends. Things like go in between and it holds them up. And they are that beautiful acrylic, just like this Caddy was. So great, great gift ideas there as well. Next, so Erin Condren also put out these amazing gift boxes. So let me get some of this stuff out of your way. So they're like pre-packaged, ready to go gifts, basically. So I have one here for you. This is the wellness one. It comes in a beautiful gift box already, and it says each day is a gift. Open it, celebrate it, enjoy it. I don't know if these change based on what you get, but there is a teacher one, a cook like recipe one, and a plant lovers one, and a travel one. So there are 5 of them. This is the wellness one. So it's, you could wrap this or you could just give it because it's so pretty. And then you open it, there's already some tissue paper in here. And it's a gift ready to go. So we'll go through and look at what all is in here. But it was already set up just like this with the tissue paper and everything. So you do have a rose gold ballpoint pen with the little EC asterisks. Then, oh, and it's even like taped in here to each other so the stuff won't fall out or mess up. So I'm just gonna try to tear it off. So this is a wellness notepad. I'm gonna take the plastic off so there's not a glare for you guys as much. So again, the back of it, gorgeous, gorgeous flora. But here is the front of it. Let me zoom it out and see, are we focused? Yeah, so it says up here, this week's wellness goals, action items, a blank box here, and then there's healthy habit tracking. So we have daily water intake, daily step, and nightly sleep, and then there's 3 blank boxes as well, and you just have a notepad of that, again with the gorgeous flora on the back, and it's a hardback, like it's nice, and you could just rip these off as you go. Then there is a little coffee mug situation. I'm trying to get it out of here. With a silicone lid. So this is, I guess it's hard plastic. Dishwasher safe, do not microwave. Use with caution, contents are hot. So this is an 11.8 ounce, 350 milliliter cup. Again, in that floral design, and it does come with a silicone lid and a little silicone sleeve so you don't burn yourself. But that's just so cute. I've been wanting like cups and water bottles, which, spoiler alert, water bottles are coming from Swell. I think this week, actually. I think it's very soon, but they're coming. But this is a very, very cute little just coffee mug, or I mean anything, tea, hot chocolate, whatever, but it's in that flora design. I love flora. I think it's gorgeous. And then the last little thing here is this little basket thing. So it's just cute to have. You know, you could put spices in it, like weights, resistance bands, you know, anything like that. Just very pretty, and it's like a woven design. So let's see if I can get this back in here so I can take photos of it and how it's supposed to look. I wonder if the lid was never supposed to be on it. That would make sense. Yeah, if it's better if it's not. I'll leave the plastic off of that. So again, it would look exactly like that, minus this would be in plastic, obviously, that I took it off. So here is that. And there you go, a beautiful gift box ready to just give to somebody. All right, and then the last item is big. And it is something I'm super excited for. So it's over here. So it is in one of these white bags, and if you've been around Erin Condren, you might know what this means. It's like what they put there, like purses, bags, pouches. They're nicer items in. So kind of like, you know, like a Michael Kors or a Coach or something would give you a dust bag. So they give you that, which is really nice. Oh, and it has the Erin Condren asterisk and logo on the front. So let me get the contents out. This is the big item that I think would just be a wonderful gift. And filming it might be fun. I might have to pick up the camera, but that's okay. So it is this gorgeous weekender bag. So you have these camel straps for this one. It's like a beigey khaki color. And then, yeah, they call it the weekender bag. And this is the Flora design. So why is it the Flora design? Well, if you open it up, it's gorgeous Flora inside. So gorgeous. I'm obsessed with Flora. I am obsessed with this bag. So I'll pick you up in just a minute, but let's go through it first. So over here on this side, you do have a snap with a big pocket that is semi-padded. So for like a laptop or a iPad would fit in there. Then over on the side right here, I'm trying not to get myself in the way, there's like a water bottle holder right here with some elastic. I'll stuff this for you and we'll come back in a minute. But there are two little pockets right in here for like a cell phone. I use them for lipsticks, honestly, pens, that type of thing. And then there's a zipper pocket as well over here. And there's still the Flora design, if you can see that. And I think that's it as far as the insides go. Let me look. It is big. Yes. So then back here on the front, you have two front pockets, even Flora there. Gorgeous. So two pretty deep front pockets for like, I don't know, a phone, anything you needed quick access to. And then on the back here, you do have a zipper pocket right here on the back. And it's Flora inside too. Love, 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 love it. So then the other thing that I put out is a strap. So it does come with a long strap for this. I'll go ahead and open it and put it on for you guys. All of this was packaged up very, very nicely and safely. So I do want to let you know about that. And so yeah, it is this camel color, matches these straps, and then it's adjustable, and then you just put it on. Ooh, very sturdy. So it's like, that is not coming off if you don't want it to be. Whoa, hang on. Yeah, that is not coming off if you don't want it coming off, so that is good. And then let's see the other side. Oh, my fingers are so weak. Okay, there we go. There we go. Got it. So that is your weekender bag. I will put some clips in of this on me and I'm going to stuff it. So definitely stay tuned for that. Really quickly though, before I go do that and then come back, which it won't feel like I did that. I'll edit it, obviously. But before I do that, I wanted to let you know that I do have affiliate links to all of these products in my bio. It helps me a lot if you use them. It's no cost or change for you, but it just lets Erin Condren know that you shop through my links, and I do earn a small commission, and that is amazing. I also have a $10 off your first order if you've never ordered with Erin Condren before in my bio, and all of that good stuff. And if you have any questions ever, please let me know, and I will do my best to help you. So let me jump shots, and I will show you this bag stuff. So hang on for like 1 second. Okay, we are back. So I kind of just stuffed it with things I had around, but some of it I think will be very helpful to you. So over here in the laptop pocket, I actually have my MacBook Pro in there, and it has a case on it, as you can see, and it fits perfectly. Very snug. Like I said, this is a little padded, and then I'm able to go ahead and snap the snap. Also in here, there we go. I have also in here, I have a deluxe monthly planner in the Flora, of course. I have my iPad. This is an iPad Pro. It's not the huge one, but it's decent size with a keyboard, so it's kind of chunky. I have a cookbook, but I just wanted to show you what a book was like in here. Very nice. I have the Erin Condren mini gel pens in their case and a sticker book, and like, there's plenty of room still. So let me play out plenty of room. Let me set it this way and see. Yeah, this might help more. So here is a side view. My camera does not like me jumping all over the place. There's a side view of it. Totally tons of room. So there you go. Here it would look zipped. So awesome. That is all I have for this video though. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you are not, and hit that like button if you enjoyed. Again, all my links are in the bio. And have a great day and a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays if I don't talk to you before then. Bye guys.